There is free money up for grabs and you are missing out on it. You've got the next big idea, the kind that keeps you up at night buzzing with potential. But the single biggest hurdle is money. Forget VCs and complicated investment rounds for a minute. What if we told you there is a massive, often overlooked source of funding that you don't have to pay back? We are talking about government grants and funding. It's not just for the massive labs, it's for your own startup. However, navigating these schemes can feel like a maze. In this video, we are going to simplify the entire process. We will show you the exact steps, the crucial DPIIT certification, and how to pitch your startup to unlock this capital. This is your definitive streamlined guide to government funding in 2025, so let's get into it. Chapter 1. The process alignment and legal foundation. First, you have to shift your mindset about government funding. The game is all about alignment and preparedness. Government fund projects that solve public problems, create jobs, or stimulate economic growth. Your proposal must show how your startup achieves this goal. Think of your application as a compelling investment proposal where the public sector is the investor. So let's talk foundational steps that must be in place. Number 1. Targeted research. Don't just search government grants. Are you in sustainable tech, health innovation, or a social enterprise? Different ministries and agencies fund specific areas. Target your research to avoid wasting months on ineligible grants. Second, legal entity first. You can't apply for public money without structure. Your startup must be a registered business entity, a private limited company, LLP, or equivalent. This makes your brand legitimate and capable of handling public funds. Third, problem solution alignment. Don't just sell your product. Teach the government what problem your product solves for their citizens. Your focus must be on the broader positive impact of your solution. Chapter 2. The Gateway. Startup India registration through DPIIT. For Indian startup, this is a non-negotiable step before applying for central grants, getting recognized by DPIIT. DPIIT stands for Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. This certification is your golden ticket to the entire startup Indian ecosystem benefits. Without this, major schemes like seed fund scheme are off limits. So how do you get this crucial recognition? The process is simple and entirely online. Step 1. Check eligibility. Your company must be registered in India, private limited or LLP. It must be less than 10 years old. Its annual turnover must not exceed 100 crore in any financial year. Crucially, it must be working towards innovation, development or improvement. Step 2. Gather documents. You will need your certificate of incorporation or registration. You need a brief proof of concept that demonstrates your product is innovative. This is a simple write-up or a link to your product's website. Step 3. Register online. Go to the official Startup India portal, which directs you to the National Single Window System (NSWS). Fill out the form with your entity details and upload the required documents. Step 4. Receive recognition. Once submitted, the DPIIT team reviews it for compliance and innovation. If approved, you receive a unique DPIIT recognition number. This number unlocks tax benefits, IPR assistance, and makes you eligible for the big government funding schemes. Chapter 3. Requirements and how to meet them. With DPIIT in your hand, your application needs to shine. The selection committee is looking for dynamic, evidence-based plans. Your content needs to be precise and structured. Requirements are your ultimate checklist for success. So how do you make high conversion application? Well, innovative hook. The first section of your proposal is everything. Start with a bold quantified claim about your solution's novelty. Show them genuine innovation, not just iteration. Feasibility and scalability. Frame your plan around government's timeline for economic impact. Reveal your product as scalable solution that creates jobs and generates wealth. Detailed financial projections and realistic market analysis are mandatory. Due diligence and details. Compliance is king here. Follow the application format provided by agency exactly. If they ask for specific certifications, provide them immediately. Meticulousness is mandatory because the initial screening is often based on compliance. Team strength. Funding bodies invest in people, not just ideas. Your team's bio must show proof of capability and relevant expertise. Highlighting past success and a balanced team structure is crucial. And here's a pro tip. Be prepared to turn your formal document into a short, sharp video pitch for the final rounds. Chapter 4. government body schemes, and the incubator advantage. Now, who are these funding bodies and what is your secret weapon for getting their attention? Let's break down the sources and the strategy. Tech and R&D hubs. These are your primary target for deep tech. Look at organizations like the DST and METI in India or similar national science foundations globally. They fund groundbreaking solutions. Economic and enterprise agencies. Look to ministries focused on MSMEs for broader business growth, job creation, and manufacturing support. State level bodies. Don't ignore your local government. State innovation cells often have significant less competitive grants specific to your region. Your secret weapon, the incubator. Any incubator is a credible co-signer for your potential. Many grants, including India's Startup India Seed Fund Scheme (SISFS), are exclusively routed through approved incubators. They provide mentorship networks and, most importantly, guided application assistance. Being accepted into an incubator instantly boosts your credibility and unlocks specific funding channels. Chapter 5. Selection process and surviving the rounds. This isn't about the final signature. It's about mastering the multi-round journey. Your goal is to have a well-defined proposal that withstands intense scrutiny. The selection process is a multi-round knockout. Initial screening, compliance. This is a binary yes or no check for all the required documents and basic eligibility, including your DPIIT number. Expert review, vetting. A panel of technical experts assesses your innovation, feasibility, and market size. Your clear articulation of problem and solution is essential here. Pitch presentation, the showdown. You will be invited to pitch the committee. Practice your defense. Know your numbers, anticipate the hardest questions about your projections, and demonstrate unwavering passion. Due diligence and final approval. The final step is verification of all legal and financial documents. Answer quickly, honestly, and completely. This transforms your application into a verified fundable commitment. The key is consistency. Engage with every request for information, answer every query. This shows the government you are a professional. And remember, the structure you followed, the credibility you built, and the capital you secured, that's what will make your startup a success. Now go apply for the grant. What's the one thing you are going to clarify in your business plan today to make it grant ready? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on building your dream business. Thank you for watching.